morning, dear parents. I hope you are all doing good and we are going to enter into the 4th week online classes. Please feel free to share any like or dislike regarding these online classes. Kindly contact us. Thank you. Hi kids, good morning. Today we are going to start the 4th session. Stay safely at home. Now we are going to complete the circle time. Shall we complete? One. So, which month is this then? This month is August. August. Day is Monday. What's the day? Monday. 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 And date is 24. Date is 24. So the month is August, day is Monday and the date is 24. So before going to the new sounds, we are going to recall the sounds already we have learned. So shall we recall? Remember how many sounds we have finished? Very good. We have finished 6 sounds in first group. So shall we recall the sounds? What's the first sound then? First sound is S. What's the sound? S. So shall we sing? Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. S. Snake is in the grass. Second sound is A. What's the sound? A. So shall we sing? And Samaya. And Samaya. And Samaya. They are causing me alarm. Very good. Next sound is T. What's the sound? T. Shall we sing? When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Great. Shall we move to the next sound? What's the sound? Say loudly, what's the sound? E. What's the sound? E. Shall we sing? Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink on got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Very good. And fifth sound is P. What's the sound? P. What's the sound? P. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Very good. And the sixth sound in the first group is in. What's this? So shall we sing? Stretch out your arm. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise. Very good. Clap yourself. You have completed first group sounds. Now we are going to learn sounds from the second group. So shall we start? What's the first sound in the second group then? K. What's this? K. Listen here, we have 2-letter formation for a sound, for a single sound. K. K. So look here. Look here, what's this? Curly K. What's this? Curly K. And what's this? Kicking K. What's this? Kicking K. Listen carefully. This is curly K and this is kicking K. Curly K, kicking K. And look here, we have K cat, K castanets. So what's the sound? K. Curly K, kicking K. So this is the letter formation for the sound K. What's this? K. Already ma'am told we have 2-letter formation for the sound K. What's this? Curly k, and this is kicking k. Curly k, kicking k. Curly k. Do you remember this, Dad? Yeah, we have seen this in the pattern, no? What's this? K. Curly k. It's in curly shape, no? So what's this? Curly k. What's this? Curly k. And this is kicking k. What's this? Kicking k. Look here, what's this? Kicking k. So this is curly k. What's this? Curly k. And this is kicking k. Kicking k. See the action for the sound k. 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 Keep your hands like this and tap with your fingers. K. 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 Do it along with me. K. K. So shall we sing now? We are clicking castanets. K. 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 Sing along with me. Listen carefully. We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. K. 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 So shall we sing together? Sing along with me. We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. K. 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 Place. Come here. Join the index finger and middle finger. What's this? The curly k. It's in curly shape. So what's this? Curly k. And this is kicking k. What's this? Kicking k. So shall we trace? Join the fingers. Trace along with me. What's this? Curly k. Curly k. Curly k. Very good. And this is kicking k. Trace along with me. Kicking k. Kicking k. What's this? Kicking k. Look carefully. This is curly k. And this is kicking k. Shall we sing once again? We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are going to see the k sound pitches. What's this? Cat. What's this? Cat. K. K. Cat. K. K. Cat. What's this? Cat. K. K. Cat. Very good. And what's this dam? This is cup. This is cup. K. K. Cup. K. K. Cup. What's this? K. K. Cup. And next is, do you like kite? Kite. K. K. Kite. K. K. Kite. What's this? Kite. K. K. Kite. Is the second sound in the second group is ye. What's this? Ye. What's this? Ye. Come, look here. What's this? Ye. What's this? Ye. Ye. Egg. We have lot of eggs here. What's this? Egg. Sound is ye. Ye. The next sound is ye. What's the sound? Ye. Look here. What's the sound? Ye. So the action for the sound A is A. Listen carefully. It's like cracking the egg. A. 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 The letter formation for the sound A is here. What's this? A. What's this? A. Look at the card. A. What's this? A. So shall we trace the letter A? Join the finger. A. What's this? A. What's this? A. Now shall we sing the song? Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Listen carefully. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Crack the egg like this. Egg. Listen carefully. Crack the egg like this. Yeah. Crack the egg like this. Yeah. So shall we sing again? Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Crack the egg like this. Egg. What's the sound? A. Look here. Look at the picture. Mother is cracking the egg in the pan. What's this? Egg. So shall we sing? Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Crack the egg like this. Egg. Now we are going to see the A sound pictures. What's this? Egg. What's this? Egg. 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 What's this? Egg. 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 And next one is elephant. A elephant. A elephant. What's this? A elephant. What's this? A elephant. Note to the parents. Kindly draw parallel lines and give it to your kid to start the writing task. Start with the upper line and touch the lower line. So what's this pattern? Standing line. What's this? Standing line. Write along with me. Standing line. Say and write. Standing line. Say and write. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Shall we go to the next line? Next line is sleeping line. It should be between these two lines. Sleeping line. Left to right. Sleeping line. Say and write. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping. So shall we move to the next line? Slanting line. Here from the upper line slightly come downwards and touch the lower line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Say and write. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. So shall we go to the next line? The next line is curve line. So draw like me. Curve line. Say and write. Curve line. Curve. 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 We are going to draw few more patterns which are used for cursive formation. L pattern. What's the pattern? L pattern. Pattern is U pattern. So, when we are writing these patterns, make sure you have to touch these lines. So, next pattern is curve. Do it along with me. Curve. So, shall we start to write? Before that, sit along with your parents and take a paper. What's this? Cotton swab. Take this cotton swab and your favorite color of the paint. So, take this. So, shall we start? What's the first pattern we saw done? The first pattern is standing line. So, shall we start? Take the cotton swab, dip it in the paint. Shall we start to write? Come, look closer. Standing line. What's this? Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Very good. Now we are moving to the second pattern. Can you say what's the second pattern? Second pattern is sleeping line. Grab it. What's this? Sleeping line. What's this? Sleeping line. Very good. What's the color? The red color. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Our next pattern is slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Do it along with me. Slanting line. Say and write. What's this? Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Very good. And our next pattern is curve. What's the pattern? Curve. Look here. Curve. What's this? Curve. What's this? Curve. 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 Our next pattern is zigzag. What's this? zigzag. 2 slanting line gives you zigzag. Do it along with me. Zigzag. And our next pattern is, shall we do it? Do it along with me. Very good. Next pattern is L pattern. Do it along with me. Do it slowly. Very good. Do it slowly. Very good. And next pattern is U pattern. What's the pattern? U pattern. Look how mom is doing. You have to do along with me. What's this? U pattern. These patterns helps you to write cursive letters. U pattern. U pattern. U pattern. Very good. The last and important pattern is cursive pattern. It helps you to write the letters. What's this? Cursive. Cursive pattern. Dip the paint. Cursive patterns. Cursive patterns. So what's this then? This is a flower pot. It has many flowers. It has many flowers. That too colorful flowers. What are the colors? We have blue color flowers and yellow color flowers, green color flowers, pink color flowers and red color flowers, and finally saffron color flowers. So you like flowers, no? Now we are going to enter into the new topic, sight words, and I am going to introduce blue words to you. So shall we start? What's the first there? I. What's this? I. Look at me. Look at the action. I. Look here. Come and look here. What's this? I. Very good. And look at me. Shall we do together? I. What's this? I. Very good. Shall we move to the second one? What's this there? All. What's this? All. Come and look here. What's this? All. We learned the sound, no? All. All. Very good. All. Say all. Very good. I. All. What's the third one? Was. Look at my mouth. Was. What's this? Was. Come. What's this? Was. Very good. What's this there? Was. Next one is two. What's this? Two. Look at me. Two. What's this? 2. Very good. What's this? 2. Come with me. What's this? 2. 2. What's this? 2. Very good. And fifth one is that. That. Look at my mouth. That. What's this? That. What's this? That. Come and look here. What's this? That. That. Very good. And the sixth one is or. What's this? Or. Look at my mouth. Listen carefully. Or. What's this? Or. What's this? Or. Very good. Shall we recite again? I, all, was, to, that, are. Come here. Recite again. Now ma'am going to point each class. You have to recite. What's this? Very good. I. What's this? All. What's this? All. What's this? Was. What's this? Was. Very good. It's your turn. Say what's this? Very good. Two. What's this? Two. What's this? Two. Very good. And what's this? That. Very good. That. What's this? That. And next one is are. What's this? Are. Whatever we learned today, practice this at home. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from Bailey.